What's going on, guys? I'm Owen. I'm an engineer here with Factory 5 Racing.
I'm Jim Skank. I'm the Chief of R&D at Factory 5 Racing.
Today, we're doing a little testing.
Two test vehicles are our original street truck, which is a twin turbo 6.
But what we're really testing is the black truck we have set up a little bit more for off-roading. This is the 5-liter V8 that we retrofitted with a supercharger. We have our off-road bumper that offers more ground clearance and a better approach angle. And then we have our carbon fiber, which is lighter, doesn't require paint. We have our 37-inch beadlock tires, as well as a spare tire carry out back.
The truck that we've been doing the testing with, we brought along kind of for comparison, but the red truck with the street package still gives us a good baseline, and it's still very capable of doing what we're doing. So really, we're just gonna do a little testing and have some fun.